सर लॉन्ड्री।
नो थैंक्स।
लॉन्ड्री चूतिए।
These days, the genre of comedy has reached the high level when the common jokes are no more going to make you laugh.
Sorry sir, I don't know what was going on.
Don't know what?
वो पोस्टर का मिस्टेक हो गया, मुझे लगा छोटा चेतन है इसलिए देखने आया।
हे गायकवाड, ये छोटा चेतन देखने आया था। छोटा चेतन देखने आया था, छोटा चेतन बड़ा करने आया था।
A special genre of adult comedy has taken its toll on the contemporary world. More in it, a double meaning comedy is something that is catering to the youth and also connecting with them in a trendy way. There was a time when adult comedy was not looked up with good eye, but these days this genre of comedy is on the peak.
यंगस्टर्स ऐसे नॉनवेज टाइप काम कराना, धंधा कराना वो और क्या।
So this time Media Hits came up with the top 10 adult comedy movies of all the time. And here are some of the adult comedy movies that you must watch.
मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि अपना इंप्रेशन माचो थे। क्या? अपना इंप्रेशन माचो दे।
Number 10, क्या कूल है हम 3।
कभी डेविल आपके नीचे, कभी आप डेविल के नीचे। Too much fun.
Kanhaiya, Tushar Kapoor is apparently a sanskari guy. After accidentally messing up with his work, Kanhaiya is fired by his dad from their company. A frustrated Kanhaiya meets his best friend Rocky Aftab Shivdasani to discuss his problem. Just when things are at the lowest for the two, they get a call from their old friend Mickey Krishna Abhishek, who offers them a special job in Bangkok. Mickey is a porn film producer in Bangkok. Kanhaiya's wish of falling in love comes true when he crosses Shalu Mandana Karmini at a mall. It is a case of love at a first sight, and after booing with a song, Shalu's agreed to marry him. In order to gain Shalu's father's approval for the marriage, he has to make them meet his sanskari family. This is what happens when a porn star portrays the roles of Suraj Barjatya film family.
आप भी इन दोनों के फैन हो? मैं भी। इन्हें देखे बगैर रात को तो नींद ही नहीं आती। क्या है ना, दिन भर का बोझ हल्का करते हैं।
Number 9, मस्तीज़ादे।
तुम चाहो तो तुम भी ये दूध पी सकते हो। ठंडा है, ताजा है, मलाई से भरा हुआ है।
The story is about Lili Lele and Leela Lele, both played by Sunny Leon, twin sister who organize a treatment center for sex addicts. Sunil Kele, Tushar Kapoor and Aditya Chotia Veer Das are two spoiled brats who are sex addicts. Meet the twin sister and fall in love with each. Desh Rohi and Desh Premi, both played by Shad Rindhawa, are two looks alike. Desh Premi is physically disabled and Desh Rohi is a womanizer. Lili and Desh Premi are about to get married. The story revolves around the various twists and funny chaos in their lives.
जिसे दुनिया कहती है खराब ज्यादा, जिसे प्यार से लड़कियां कहती है और ज्यादा, वही होता है असली मस्ती ज्यादा।
Number 8, Grand Masti.
अरे बेचारी इतने सालों से अपने प्यार का नारियल लेकर तेरे पीछे घूम रही है। एक बार स्ट्रॉ डाल के पानी पी ले।
अबे कमीने, वो नारियल नहीं नींबू है।
तो नींबू पानी पी ले।
3 young men have had a ball of their life in college. Amar Prem and Meet, in the last day at college, meet their new principal Robot, who hangs young men to a conjuring-like tree and strip them neck to punish them if they are caught eyeing any woman.
सेक्स ट्वाइस अ डे। अरे सेक्स मेल या फीमेल लिखना है, कितनी बार नहीं। ठीक से फॉर्म भर के लाओ। साला शो ऑफ। सेक्स नेक्स्ट।
6 years later, Meet is married to his boss, but his sex life is dull because of work pressure. Prem's wife is busy taking care of his family, and the duo have no time to make love. And Amar and his wife have a child who keep their sex life dry.
एक काम दिया था आपको, अब वो भी ठीक से नहीं कर सकते क्या?
अरे पप्पू दूध नहीं पी रहा, इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
आपने ठीक से हिलाया?
हाँ ममता, मैंने बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह हिलाया। वैसे भी जब से पप्पू पैदा हुआ मैं हिलाने में एक्सपर्ट हो गया।
When the three leased men are left astray to attend their college reunion, the trio hooked up with their former principal's daughter, wife, and sister. The problem begins when the robot sniffs the wilderness and desperately tries to hunt them down. It's expected to be crackling feats where the three friends find themselves in a grander problem than their musty days.
ये हमारे प्रिंसिपल रॉबर्ट, रोज के पति, मेरी के पापा।
मार लो के भैया।
मार लो रोज मेरी?
नहीं रोज मेरी मार लो।
अब रोज मेरी मार लो हो या मार लो रोज मेरी हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? सब एक ही तो बात है ना?
Number 7, Great Grand Masti.
ऐसे कैसे रख लिया उसको नौकरी पे? हमें क्या पता वो सच बोल रही कि झूठ। विश्वास करने की कोई तो वजह होनी चाहिए।
इतनी बड़ी बड़ी तो वजहें तुझे दिखाई नहीं दी। अगर ऊपर वाले ने चाहा तो जल्द ही तुझे तीसरी वजह भी दिखा दूंगा।
Amar, Ritesh Deshmukh, meet Vivek Oberoi and Prem Aftab Shivdasani are again horribly deprived of sex because their wife must take care of their family and ancestor. To add a little fun to their lives, Prem suggests a plan, and all three of them leave for Amar's native village Dudwari to sail in old palace inherited by Amar. While pursuing the plan, all three of them end up inside the haunted Haveli where they meet an even more sex-deprived virgin ghost, Ragini Urvashi Rotela, who must lose her virginity to rest in peace.
अगर आप इजाजत दे तो अब यही नौकरी कर लो।
नौकरी?
मना मत करना साहब जी, मैं आपका सारा काम करूंगी, आपकी हर जरूरत, हर ख्वाहिश पूरी करूंगी। उम्र के साथ साथ मेरी नींद भी कच्ची है।
The chaos begins, but this time, unlike previous parts, the trio is chaosed by a ghost who want to do masti with them, as she calls it. Watch Great Grand Masti if you enjoyed Masti and Grand Masti, and if you are a fan of adult comedy. The movie has enough jokes and punches, and the pace of movie doesn't give you much time to think and make sense of it, so you just laugh. Also watch it for the dance numbers.
अगर आधी रात को ही बोलोगे तो भी मैं दौड़ी चली आऊंगी। जो आप कहोगे वो करूंगी, जहां आप बोलोगे वहां करूंगी, जैसे आप कहोगे वैसे करूंगी।
बस कर पगली, ज्वाइनिंग के दिन ही प्रमोशन लेगी क्या?
Number 6. क्या सुपर कूल है हम?
क्या देख रहा है डूड? वो लड़कियों के इस्तेमाल करने की चीज है।
पता है यार, लेकिन सोचता हूं मैं भी एक पैकेट खरीद ही लूं। मेरा भी बहुत बुरा पीरियड चल रहा है यार।
Adi, Tushar Kapoor and Sid Ritesh Deshmukh are two out-of-luck men living in Mumbai. Aspiring actor Adi acts in those outrageous teleshopping ads while hoping for his big break. Sid DJing skills are wasted on a set Gujarati gone wild party.
वैसे तुम लड़की में सबसे पहले क्या देखते हो?
वो तो डिपेंड करता है ना कि लड़की आ रही है कि जा रही है।
An astrologer predicts that Adi's fortune will turn when he meets the love of his life, whose name will begin with S. Very soon, he bumps into Simi, Neha Sharma, and falls helplessly in love with her. Not wanting to risk losing her, Adi proposes for marriage within a few days of meeting her. Instead, Simi gets freaked out and lies about being a lesbian. Unknown to the duo, Simi and Anu are good friends chilling together in Goa at their lateral's home. How Sid manages to woo Anu, Adi tries to win back Simi, and lots of dog humping forms the rest of the story.
इस बार तो मैं अपना इंप्रेशन डेफिनेटली माचो दूंगा। क्या? अरे माचो दूंगा।
Number 5. मस्ती।
यार मैं तुम्हारे पैर पड़ता हूँ कि बार बार मेरे चरण मत छुआ करो।
क्यों नहीं? पति के चरणों में ही तो स्वर्ग होता है।
स्वर्ग चरणों में नहीं, चरणों से थोड़ा ऊपर होता है।
Meet Amar and Prem have been married for the last 3 years and bored of their quirky wives. So when they meet for the first time in 3 years, they decided to indulge in affair and get some action. They meet again after a month to compare notes, but discover each one of them has had a liaison with a wily woman, Monica. She blackmails them for bringing a lot of money, as she would inform their wives for their infidelity.
बॉम्ब के फटने से धमाका निकलता है, पतलून के फटने से धागा निकलता है, और एयर कंडीशन कमरे में अगर किसी की फटती है तो पसीना निकलता है।
The friends manages to get money somehow, but the events soon escalate into a nightmare. The trio have to deal with a murder, a dead body, another blackmailer, and extremely suspicious police officer named Inspector Sikandar, while ensuring that not a word reaches their wives.
दोबारा अगर मुझे हाथ लगाया तो हाथ काट के ऐसी जगह घुसा दूंगा कि जिंदगी भर खाना भी मुंह से पड़ेगा और निकालना भी।
Number 4. क्या कूल है हम?
निकलना लायक, वरना मैं काट डालूंगा।
काट दो। पैर काटोगे तो हाथ के बनाऊंगा, हाथ काटोगे तो पीठ के बनाऊंगा, पीठ काटोगे तो
मैं ऐसी चीज काटूंगा।
Karan Pandey and Rahul are two friends who work in a fashion designer office and live in a rented apartment. Karan meets a beautiful woman, Kiran, and fall in love with her. In the meantime, Rahul is told by a street astrologer that he will find his soulmate in a girl who has a birthmark on her right breast. Then beautiful Urmila Mathodkar walks into his life, birthmark and all. Rahul does not know is that gorgeous Urmila is a sub-inspector of police who suspect Rahul of being a serial killer who has killed several women in Khar, Kalba Devi, Kanjur Marg, Kalyan, and several other places. Starts with K. Watch what happens when the two realize that their lovers are not what they seem, and how they attempt to get out of the mess that they have created for themselves.
कि मुझे मुस्लिम लड़कों की लंबाई बहुत पसंद है और गुजराती लड़कों की चौड़ाई, और ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन मिलना मुश्किल ही नहीं। देखना मुमकिन है। वैसे तुमने अपना नाम नहीं बताया।
नसीरुद्दीन शाह।
Number 3, Hunter.
भाईजान इस पे हाथ मत रखिए, दब जाएगा।
इसमें दबाने जैसा क्या है?
मत रखिए।
सॉरी।
Hunter is a 2015 Indian adult comedy film written and directed by Harshvardhan Kulkarni. Mondar Punkesh Gulshan Devaiya, a typical youth, is a sex addict since 15 years. His only intention is to score more girls in order to outshine his cousin's brothers.
स्कोर क्या है? अब तक 56, 50।
वैसे ये कितनी लड़कियां या कितनी बार?
प्रोफेशनल हो गया?
Mondar Punkesh never plans to get married or settle down. However, his life takes a new turn when he falls in love with Tripti. The attempt to make a film which is sex-centered and not a sleazy sex comedy with 4 pun-intended jokes, this one is on the face and a genuine attempt at a sex addict's coming-of-age story.
कॉमिक्स।
कॉमिक्स टिकट लेता है क्या?
नहीं, मैं अक्षय के लिए लाया ना ये कॉमिक्स। अक्षय।
Number 2, Delhi Belly. Three young professionals who happen to be roommates. Tashi Imran Khan, Nitin Kunal Roy Kapoor and Arup Veerdas inadvertently become couriers for a cache of diamonds smuggled in by a Russian gangster. The diamond had to be delivered to a local gangster Vijay Raj. Unfortunately, a strange mix-up causes a weird package to be delivered to him instead. This is the beginning of the troubles of the happy-go-lucky threesomes, which obviously has no experience in tackling Delhi's crazy underworld. It has a comic situation, colorful language in the dialogues and the good performances. Amir Khan's special appearance and it has a hit music.
चोट मुझे बंदूक दिखा रहा है। अबे भोसड़ी के जानता है कब से धंधा कर रहा हूं। तू क्या सोच रहा है? मेरे सर पे बंदूक रखने से मेरी गांड मारने की परमिशन मिल गई तुझे? दान चोट।
Number 1, Vicky Donor.
ऐसे डीएनए आर्यन रेस के देखे गए हैं। तू प्योर आर्यन रेस है, आर्य पुत्र है।
Dr. Baldev Chaddanu Kapoor, a well-qualified fertility expert. A healthy, high-performing donor is the need of the hour. Vicky Arora Ayushmann Khurrana, a young, good-looking Punjabi boy from Lajpat Nagar.
ए काम लीगल है, आज से ही नहीं, महाभारत के टाइम से। जनानियों के जब बच्चे नहीं होते थे तो ऋषि मुनियों को बुलवा लेते थे। बाबा औलाद नहीं है, बाबे ने की किता तथास्तु किता, हो गया। यही तो है।
As luck would have it, a small bra in the colony brings Dr. Chadda Vicky face to face, where Chadda concludes that Vicky could be the donor he has been searching for. From here on, Chadda's days and night are spent in convincing Vicky to become a donor till he finally gives in.
और क्लाइंट की नजर में बैचलर के स्पर्म की
जब देखो स्पर्म यार, 4 साल हो गए, घस गया दिमाग। स्पर्म से थोड़ा ऊपर आकर देखो, हार्ट नाम की चीज होती है।
Vicky finds his love interest in Ashima Roy, Yami Gautam, a pretty Bengali girl who work in a bank. But soon their hunky-dory would come crashing down because of Vicky's past as a donor.
यार, पिछले 2 महीनों में 4 बार केस कर चुका है क्लाइंट मुझ पर। पूछो क्यों? क्योंकि उनके बच्चे ने मम्मा पप्पा कहना भी नहीं सीखा है। माँ दी भैन दी गालियां निकालता, डीके और बीके घोष भाग बताने की कहता रहता।
We have done with this time countdown. If you think that we have missed something, you can give your feedback and suggestion on our comment section. This section is all yours. And if you like this video, please hit on like button, and for more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel Media Hits.
हाय ला श्रीकांत, ये श्रीकांत कौन सी फिल्म का है सर?
विक्की डोनर।